Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how to manage floor cleaning. If we click on these videos over here, we can go into floor cleaning setting. Here, as you can see, we have edit surface, improve floor material for better cleaning. Here we can manage if it's floor type, carpet or threshold. If we go back, we can carpet cleaning setting. Adjust settings to improve carpet cleaning performance. We can go into it, and here we have dynamic lift, cross. It looks like that. Ignore. And avoid. And we can manage our carpets with this. And if we go back, we can manage flexi arm design extended cleaning. The robot will extend the flexible side burrs along corners for better cleaning performance. We can either disable or enable this option. Here we have flexi arm design extended mopping. During the process of mopping the floor along the edges and corners, the right mop will extend closer to the wall for cleaning. We can enable or disable this option again. Here we have automatic remopping. When a dirty area is detected during mopping, the robot will return to the dock for mop washing, the double mop after. We can enable this option or disable this option. Here we have pet area deep cleaning. Boosts suction power automatically around pet supplies for deep cleaning. We can either disable or enable this option. If it's blue, it means that it is enabled. And here, as you can see, we have cleaning pattern. Choose the running pattern in which robot cleans each room. Here we have smart, clean along floor direction, and mix pattern cleaning. Smart is in full cleaning or selected room cleaning. The robot will clean the floor along the relatively longer side of each room to optimize cleaning efficiency. Clean along floor direction is in full cleaning of selective room cleaning. The robot will clean the floor along its direction to minimize scraping against the floor seams. Set the floor material to this function to work. The robot can only clean in one direction. And the mix pattern cleaning is the robot moves in the direction of per perpendicular to the last cleaning to improve cleaning performance. Cleanups will take longer. And this is everything for floor cleaning setting. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.